everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 14E from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 19. A8, minus 6, B minus 4, 2 and C 0, minus 10 are vertices of triangle ABC. If P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of AC, use coordinate geometry to show that PQ is parallel to BC. Give a special name to quadrilateral PBCQ. There is a triangle ABC. So let's draw the triangle ABC. We know the coordinates of A, B and C. A का coordinates है 8, minus 6. B का coordinates minus 4, 2 and C का coordinates 0, minus 10. If P is the midpoint of AB, P is midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of AC. Okay. Use coordinate geometry to show that PQ is parallel to BC. Join PQ. You have to prove PQ parallel to BC. We can use coordinate geometry only. That is, we'll use coordinates only to prove this. You cannot use midpoint theorem or basic proportionality theorem वाला property. नहीं use कर सकते यहाँ पे. Okay. So what will you do? Two lines are parallel if you prove that the slopes are equal. दोनों lines का slopes equal होगा. PQ का slope and BC का slope equal है, same है. Then the two lines are parallel. So all I need to do is find the slope of PQ, find the slope of BC. You should get it equal, and then you can say that the two lines are parallel. BC का slope मुझे easily मिल जाएगा because I have coordinates of B and C, है ना? Using the formula, I'll easily get the slope of BC. What about PQ? I need coordinates. So P is midpoint of AB. Using midpoint formula, P का coordinates मिल जाएगा, है ना? Add x coordinates, divide by 2. Add y coordinates, divide by 2. You will get the coordinates of P. Same way Q is midpoint of AC. A and C का coordinates पता है. You will easily get Q का coordinates. Once you get the coordinates of P and Q, find the slope using the formula. Okay, so it's very easy. So let's find the coordinates first, then we'll find the slopes. Okay, and then we have to name the quadrilateral PBCQ. PBCQ. So once you prove that PQ is parallel to BC, ये दोनों parallel है. These two are of course non-parallel. From the figure itself you can say they are non-parallel. So a pair of opposite sides are parallel and the remaining two are not parallel, then which kind of figure is this? Trapezium, है ना? तो PBCQ हो जाएगा trapezium. Alright. So let us solve now. Draw the figure and then write down all the given information. So in triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of AC. Write down the coordinates of A, B and C. First we'll find the coordinates of P and Q. So by midpoint formula, P का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? It is midpoint of AB, so add the x coordinates of A and B. Divide by 2. Add the y coordinates. Divide by 2. Okay. So plus minus minus हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे 2 minus 6, that will give minus 4 upon 2. And your 8 minus 4 is 4 upon 2. And this will give minus 2. So P का coordinates है 2, minus 2. Same way we will find coordinates of Q. Q is the midpoint of AC. So let's find the coordinates of Q now. 8 plus 0 divided by 2 minus 6 plus minus 10 divided by 2. Okay. So 8 plus 0, 8 upon 2. And here plus into minus, minus. Okay. Here 4 and यहाँ पे दोनों negative है, so add करके negative sign, minus 16 divided by 2. So that will give minus 8. So Q का coordinates है 4, minus 8. So we got the coordinates of P and Q. Let's find the slopes of PQ and BC. Slope of PQ. Subtract the y coordinates first. So -8 minus 2 upon 4 minus 2. So that will give -8 minus plus हो जाएगा. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 8, that will give -6 upon 2. So this gives -3. Okay, slope of PQ -3 है. We should get the same value of slope of BC. So let's find slope of BC. Subtracting the y coordinates first. -10 minus 2 upon 0 minus 4. So माइनस है तो पुट माइनस साइन ऐड हो जाएगा. यह माइनस माइनस बिकम्स प्लस. सो -12 upon 4 that gives -3. So we are getting same value. Mark this as 1, mark this as 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say slope of PQ is equal to slope of BC. Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC. Okay. So over here you can just give reason. Parallel lines have equal slopes. Okay. So slopes equal है, इसका मतलब the lines are parallel. So you can put that reason over here. Okay. We proved this. Box कर दो. Okay. After this we have to name the quadrilateral PBCQ. PBCQ में PQ and BC are parallel. One pair of sides are parallel and the other pair are not parallel. So therefore it is a trapezium. So after this just write down quadrilateral PBCQ is a trapezium. Okay. Let's read the next question. Question number 20. A line AB meets the x-axis at point A and y-axis at point B. The point P -4, -2 divides the line segment AB internally such that AP is to PB is equal to 1:2. Find first part the coordinates of A and B, second part equation of line through P and perpendicular to AB. There is a line AB. So let's draw the line. एक line है AB. AB, just mark the points. It meets the x-axis at point A. A is meeting x-axis, that is it is cutting x-axis. So x-axis is the horizontal line. Okay. And y-axis at point B. So B is cutting y-axis, that is it is meeting y-axis. So y-axis is the vertical line. A is lying on x-axis, तो उसका y coordinate 0 हो जाएगा, है ना. So it will have some x coordinate and y coordinate 0 है. Same way B is lying on y-axis, so उसका x coordinate 0 है and y coordinate will be something. The point P -4, -2 divides the line segment AB internally. So P is lying somewhere in between AB such that AP is to PB is 1:2. So P is lying somewhere in between and the ratio of AP is to PB is 1:2. Okay, P का coordinates है -4, -2. First we need to find the coordinates of A and B. A and B का coordinates find out करना है. For that apply section formula because P is dividing in certain ratio, M and N पता है. You know the coordinates of the end points. Okay. Of course we don't know the exact values, but we know A का y coordinate 0 होगा, B का x coordinate 0 होगा. So find करना बहुत easy है. By section formula, what will be the coordinates of P? For x coordinate, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So please be thorough with section formula and midpoint formula so that you can solve these sums very easily. For y coordinate my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. वैल्यूज पुट करो, m का वैल्यू 1 है, सो 1 इंटू x2 इज 0 एंड n इज 2 इंटू x1 इज x अपॉन m प्लस n इज 1 प्लस 2. सेम वे यहाँ पे m इज 1, y2 इज y, n इज 2 and y1 is 0 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. So on solving 1 into 0 0 हो जाएगा, 0 plus 2x, so 0 plus 2x is nothing but 2x है ना, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Over here 1 into y plus 2 into 0 0, so y हो जाएगा y plus 0 is y upon 3, so you will get y upon 3. But I already know the coordinates of P. P का coordinates क्या है, -4, -2. So एक पॉइंट का एक ही x कोऑर्डिनेट हो सकता है, एक ही y कोऑर्डिनेट हो सकता है, ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता है. So it means -4 is equal to 2x upon 3 and y upon 3 is -2. So you are getting x as -6 एंड ये भी -6 हो जाएगा है ना. सो x -6 मिल रहा है, y भी -6 मिल रहा है. सो यहाँ पे यू गॉट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ a एंड यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ b. सो a इज -6, -0, b इज 0, -6. वेरी इजी. Second part, we need to find the equation of the line through P and perpendicular to AB. There is a line which is passing through point P and it is perpendicular to AB. AB से perpendicular है. Okay, so let me erase this first. So there is a line which is passing through P and is perpendicular to AB. So this line is perpendicular to AB. इसका equation क्या होगा ये find out करना है. Now for equation you need slope and one point का coordinates. Okay. It is passing through point P. So P का coordinates मुझे पता है. P is lying on this line. Okay. So उसका coordinates पता है. I have half the information. I need slope of the line. Since this line is perpendicular to AB, I can relate the slopes of AB and this perpendicular line. Easily relate कर सकते हैं. Because the product of the slopes will be equal to -1 for perpendicular lines. So slope of this perpendicular line into slope of AB will be equal to -1. If I find slope of AB, I can easily find the slope of this perpendicular line. Let's say इसका slope m1 है, इसका slope m2 है AB का. m1 into m2 is equal to -1. अगर मुझे m2 मिल गया, AB का slope मिल गया, तो I can put the value and I'll get the value of m1. तो इसका स्लोप कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? आई हैव द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए एंड बी. यूज द फॉर्मूला. स्लोप इज इक्वल टू y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1 और y1 माइनस y2 अपॉन x1 माइनस x2. कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है. वी गॉट इट इन फर्स्ट पार्ट. सो स्लोप ऑफ ए बी मिल गया तो स्लोप ऑफ ये परपेंडिकुलर लाइन मिल जाएगा. यू हैव द स्लोप, यू हैव द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ पॉइंट P विच इज लाइंग ऑन द लाइन. यू कैन इजिली फ्रेम द इक्वेशन. Take P का coordinates as capital X1, capital Y1, okay? Because we have used X1, Y1 over here. So I would suggest that, okay? You can use normally also, it does not matter. So equation of line का formula क्या हो जाएगा? X1, Y1 put करो. Slope मिल जाएगा from slope of AB. So M1 मिल जाएगा, okay? Put karo values and you will get the equation of this perpendicular line. Okay. So let us solve now. After drawing the figure, start with the solution. So line AB meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Therefore, A will have some x coordinate and y coordinate is 0, and B will have y coordinate and x coordinate is 0. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So m is to n is 1:2. A का coordinates we took as x1, y1, B का coordinates x2, y2. So by section formula, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n will be x coordinate and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n will be the y coordinate. So solve further, values put करके. On solving you will get -4 is equal to 2x upon 3 and -2 is equal to y upon 3 because एक point का एक ही x coordinate हो सकता है, एक ही y coordinate हो सकता है. Okay, so we'll equate this, we'll solve this and find the value of x and y. So shifting 3 over here, minus 4 into 3 is equal to 2x, and shifting 3 here, minus 2 into 3 is equal to y. So that gives minus 12, and 2 we'll shift on the other side, and minus 6 is equal to y. So minus 6 is equal to x and minus 6 is equal to y. Just switch the sides. X is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to minus 6. है ना? So therefore A will be minus 6 comma 0 and B will be 0 comma minus 6. So we got the coordinates of A and B from the section formula. First part हो गया. Second part, we need to find the equation of the line through P which is perpendicular to AB. So first we'll find the slope of AB. We have the coordinates, so let us find the slope of AB, and then we'll find the slope of the line perpendicular to AB, and after which we'll find the equation. Okay, so slope of AB, subtracting the y coordinates first, minus 6 minus 0 upon 0 minus minus 6. You can go the other way around also, 0 minus minus 6 upon minus 6 minus 0, that way also it's correct. Minus 6 upon ये plus हो जाएगा, so minus 6 upon 6 gives minus 1. So slope of AB is minus 1. Okay, we'll find slope of the line perpendicular to AB. So slope of line perpendicular to AB is नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, है ना, नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. सो माइनस 1 अपॉन वॉट एवर इज द स्लोप ऑफ ए बी. सो स्लोप ऑफ ए बी माइनस 1 है. माइनस 1 अपॉन माइनस 1 गिव्स 1. सो डोंट यूज दिस साइन. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट फुल वर्ड. सो स्लोप ऑफ लाइन perpendicular to AB is equal to 1. So ये line which is passing through P and perpendicular to AB, उसका slope क्या हो जाएगा? 1 हो जाएगा. Okay. Now students, first part में you had to find the coordinates of A and B. So box the values of the coordinates that you're getting. Okay. A and B का values box कर दो and make sure that you write down a statement. The coordinates of A are minus 6 comma 0 and coordinates of B are 0 comma minus 6. Okay. So write down for line passing through P and perpendicular to AB. P का coordinates है minus 4 comma minus 2 which we are taking as capital X1 capital Y1, and slope we just got, it is 1. So the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Let's put the values. y1 है minus 2, m is 1 and x minus x1 is minus 4. So put box brackets outside. Okay, minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Here x plus 4, 1 into anything gives that thing itself. ठीक है, so y is equal to x plus 4 minus 2, so that gives y equals to x plus 2. This is the equation of the line. Okay, so we got the equation, box it and write down the statement. The equation of the line through P and perpendicular to AB is y equals to x plus 2. Moving on to next question, question number 21. A line intersects x-axis at point minus 2 comma 0 and cuts off an intercept of 3 units from the positive side of y-axis. Find the equation of the line. It's a very easy question. A line intersects x-axis at point minus 2 comma 0. So we are given the coordinates of one point, okay, which is lying on a line. So A I'm taking as minus 2 comma 0, okay, and cuts off an intercept of 3 units from the positive side of y-axis. So positive side of y-axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ वाई एक्सिस कंसिडर करते हैं. इट मेक्स एन इंटरसेप्ट ऑफ 3 यूनिट्स. सो 3 पे कट कर रहा है लाइन. ओके, सो दिस इज द पॉइंट वेयर द लाइन इज कटिंग वाई एक्सिस, देयरफॉर दिस पॉइंट इज लाइंग ऑन वाई एक्सिस. तो उसका कोऑर्डिनेट क्या हो जाएगा? x कोऑर्डिनेट 0, y कोऑर्डिनेट 3. y plus 3 because it is making intercept of 3 units from the positive side. अगर negative side बोला होता तो 0, -3. Okay, so then it would be -3 because negative side होता. Since they have mentioned positive side, we'll take +3. Okay, so you don't even need to draw this, सिर्फ लिख देना है. Okay, y एक्सिस को कट कर रहा है मतलब x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 हो जाएगा. एंड जो भी यूनिट्स बोला है वो लिख लो. जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर रीडिंग इट केयरफुली. पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है? पॉजिटिव है तो प्लस हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव है तो माइनस हो जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट दिस पॉइंट वेयर इट इज कटिंग वाई एक्सिस बी B. So let this point be B and it will be 0, 3. We have to find the equation of this line. Okay, so this line AB का equation क्या होगा? For equation we need slope and one point का coordinates. We can easily find the slope from the 2 points. Take this as x1, y1. Take this as x2, y2. So using the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2, you will get the slope of AB. Okay, एक बार slope मिल गया, then A we have taken as x1 y1. So using the formula you will get the equation of the line AB. x1 put करो, y1 put करो, m put करो, you will get the equation. Okay, so let us solve now. Draw a rough line AB for reference. So you can draw or you can just leave it, it's okay. Write down the statements. A we are taking as -2, 0. We have just named the point. Okay, and y intercept दिया है, it is +3 units. So the point where it is cutting y axis, that we are taking as B. Okay, so B will be 0, 3. X coordinate 0 हो जाएगा because it is lying on y axis. Okay, so A पता है, B पता है for the line. So we can easily find the slope and consider one point का coordinates and find the equation of the line. Okay, so A we'll take as x1 y1, which is -2, 0, and B x2 y2, which is 0, 3. Okay, so write down slope of AB, that is m, will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. y2 है 3, y1 है 0 upon x2 is 0 and x1 is -2. Be careful with signs. 3 minus 0, 3 and 0 minus minus plus हो जाएगा 2. 3 upon 2 is the slope of the line AB. And we have A का coordinates. Let's frame the equation. For AB, m is 3 upon 2 and A x1 y1 is -2, 0. So the equation of line AB is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y1 is 0, m is 3/2, x minus x1 is -2. So put box brackets outside because we have used round brackets inside. यहाँ पे भी brackets डालो because we'll shift 2. So 2 into y minus 0 is nothing but y. Okay, and 3 into minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Okay, so we'll get 2y is equal to 3x plus 3 2s are 6. So this is the equation of the line. Box कर दो. All right, and write down the final statement. The equation of the line is 2y equals to 3x plus 6. Next question, question number 22. Find the equation of a line passing through the point 2, 3 and having the x-intercept of 4 units. It is very easy, similar to previous question. So there is a line which is passing through the point 2, 3. Let this point be P. Okay. So there is some point P 2, 3 जिसके through एक line pass हो रहा है. Okay. And having an x-intercept of 4 units. X-intercept means it is cutting x-axis. So whenever you are given x-intercept, y-coordinate 0 हो जाएगा. Okay. And when you are given y-intercept, x-coordinate 0 हो जाएगा. Because for x-intercept it is lying on x-axis and for y-intercept the point is lying on y-axis. Okay. So x-intercept is of 4 units. तो y-coordinate क्या है? 0 है. And x-coordinate क्या हो जाएगा? 4. Very easy. So the point where it is cutting x-axis, that is x-intercept वाला point, will be Q. I am taking it as Q. x-coordinate 4 होगा, y-coordinate 0 होगा. We have 2 points का coordinates. x1, y1. Let this be x2, y2. Slope मिल जाएगा easily, है ना? Using the formula. And once you find the slope, we have 1 point का coordinates. Frame the equation. Put the values of x1, y1 and m. You will get the equation of the line PQ. Okay. So draw a line for reference and name the coordinates. I have named the coordinates as P and Q respectively. You can name it as something else. So for the line, I have taken 2, 3 as P and x-intercept is given to us. It is 4 units. So let Q be the point making x-intercept of 4 units. Therefore Q will be 4, 0. Y-coordinate 0 हो जाएगा. Okay. P we will take as x1, y1 and Q as x2, y2. And first we will find the slope of PQ. So let P 2, 3 be x1, y1 and Q 4, 0 be x2, y2. So therefore slope will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. So 0 minus 3 upon 4 minus 2. So that gives minus 3 upon 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So slope is minus 3 upon 2. So for line PQ, we have slope as minus 3 upon 2 and P x1 y1 is 2, 3. So equation of the line we'll frame, we'll use this formula. Okay. So the equation of line PQ is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. So put the values. y1 है 3, m is minus 3 upon 2, x minus x1 is 2. Put brackets over here. 2 को shift करेंगे तो multiply हो जाएगा. Okay. Minus 3 into x minus 2. So 2y minus 6 is equal to minus 3x. Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. X वाला term negative है, so what I am going to do is I will shift it over here. Okay. So 3x plus 2y on one side and 6 को यहाँ पे shift कर दिया तो positive हो जाएगा. So it will become 12. So 3x plus 2y equals to 12. Box कर दो and write on the final statement the equation of the line is 3x plus 2y equals to 12.